In this video, we listed the 5 best camping chair on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. PACOONE Travel Chair. The folding chair by PACOONE is a versatile and durable outdoor chair designed for various activities such as camping, fishing, hiking, and trekking. Made of aluminum, this chair is lightweight and suitable for use in all 4 seasons. The package includes one chair and a carrying bag for easy transportation. With a focus on portability and convenience, this chair from mainland China is a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and camping trips. Number 2. PACOONE Camping Chair. The report item from PACOONE is a product originating from mainland China, known for its quality and reliability. This item, which represents the brand's commitment to excellence, is designed to meet various needs and specifications, making it a dependable choice for consumers seeking high-quality products. Number 3. MOUNTAINHIKER Camping Chair. The MOUNTAINHIKER lightweight folding camping chair is a versatile outdoor furniture piece suitable for various activities such as camping, hiking, picnics, and more. This portable wooden chair features a foldable design with a storage bag, making it easy to carry and set up. The chair's ergonomic design provides optimal comfort, and its sturdy construction, with a cloth seat, wooden elements, and a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame, can support up to 120 kilograms. Ideal for a range of outdoor activities, this chair is perfect for tailgating, mountaineering, concerts, BBQs, and more. The maintenance tips for the solid wood components ensure longevity and glossiness, recommending regular dusting, cleaning with specialized agents, and occasional waxing. The chair, available in black, green, and beige colors, is made of grade A beech and nylon, with dimensions of 55 by 43 by 63 cm when expanded and 63 by 23 by 10 cm when stored. The MOUNTAINHIKER chair is a reliable and stylish outdoor seating option originating from mainland China, providing comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4. Hitorhike Camping Chair. The Hitorhike portable collapsible moon chair is a versatile and lightweight outdoor seating solution suitable for various activities such as camping, fishing, hiking, and BBQs. This folding chair features a durable aluminum alloy frame with a weight-bearing capacity of up to 150 kilograms, providing stability and comfort. The chair is constructed with 600D polyester fabric with a water-resistant PVC coating and breathable mesh sections for enhanced comfort. Its ergonomic design and self-joining elasticated poles make it easy to set up and use, while the included storage bag with a zip closure and carry handle ensures convenient transportation. The chair's compact size when folded makes it ideal for storage and portability. Originating from mainland China, this Hitorhike chair is a reliable and practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a comfortable and durable seating option. Number 5. Outdoor Folding Camping Chair. The outdoor folding camping chair Hitorhike Moon Chair is a versatile and portable seating option designed for outdoor activities such as fishing, BBQs, festivals, picnics, and beach outings. This lightweight chair features a durable aluminum alloy frame, with a bench surface made of breathable mesh cloth for comfort and easy cleaning. The chair is foldable for compact storage and comes with a convenient storage bag for easy transportation. Available in gray, black, yellow, and orange colors, this moon chair is constructed with 600D encrypted mizzen material and aluminum brackets, ensuring stability and durability. With dimensions of 44 by 37 by 102 cm when expanded and 50 by 13 cm when stored, for black/gray, or 43.5 by 36 by 97 cm when expanded and 50 by 10 cm when stored, for yellow/orange. This chair is a modern and customizable outdoor furniture piece originating from mainland China. Perfect for beach use or general outdoor activities, the outdoor folding camping chair Hitorhike Moon Chair offers comfort, convenience, and style for outdoor enthusiasts.